GRA Ikeja, often celebrated for its serene and pristine environment, is widely regarded as a haven for the affluent in Lagos. But behind the imposing gates and towering walls, one can't help but wonder, does this quietness reflect true peace? Or is it merely a veil for isolation? Or perhaps something else entirely? Though GRA is painted as a neighborhood for the elite, boasting tarred roads along its outskirts, a different reality unfolds within. The inner streets are riddled with potholes, some alarmingly close to the homes of those elected to lead. This contrast raises a critical question. Is GRA truly as serene and spotless as it seems? Or is it a carefully created facade hiding a more complex, perhaps inconvenient truth?